Yo, what is up guys? And today we'll be checking a new update in Animal Company. So yeah, let's go check everything out. Okay, see, they got new clothes. Yo. Oh. Chat. Tag to the evil. Yo. Should I have this in man? Yeah. You can pick cheaper. Not even that more cheaper. Yeah. Or that. We're gonna find it. The kitchen clothing. No, it's not. Here. It's not even. These are the old ones. Guys, what do you think? I prefer this edition because it's not 20% off both. Guys, nobody. Let's go. Oh yeah, they have a new lizard bundle. Oh, what's this? Only for that. But I have 5 and I got that for 4. Those are scams, guys. Oh, my bad. Anyway, let's go check new arena update with the new guns. Let's go. Hey, before we get into that, I like to ask at the middle of the video. This could be the middle. I have no idea. To just like the subscribe button. It's free. It's down there. Completely free. Doesn't even take out your time. And I do most shout outs for our subscribers if you're public. So make sure you're public so I can just shout you out. I love shout outs. Let's see if we can hit 110 face reveal. If you want to see my face, you gotta click that subscribe button down there, completely free. Now, I'm not forcing you, but if you want to, click it down there. Okay, anyways, let's go. Oh, it's a beta. As you can see, it said beta. My friend, you should go check out his channel. He should tell me later so I can put it up there. Yeah, we could have just checked in here. Yeah. Okay, we can't get in the one right now. Oh, can. We'll just see. We're in a game. Alright, please. So this gives you health. See that? Gives you health. Now, the good thing about these, if you mine all of them, you get victory. So I'll show you right now. I'm just gonna cut when there's only like 1 left. Okay, I'm back. This is what happens. Can't shoot them. See your partners right here. What happens? Whoa! Just want to say, I'll make another video of playing this just for you guys. This is if you won, or say defeat if you lose. You just have to mine all of them, and yeah. I got some company coins. Let me see how much I got. So I got 5 from that. I used to be on 115, but since I grind with someone, I got 230. Not even that much, like 5 rounds and I got that much. Yeah. Do you think I really like the blue? Like blue. I like blue. Yeah, I'm gonna get blue. Yeah. So unfortunately, that's the end of this video. Make sure to click that subscribe button. Like I said, it's completely free. Make sure to like this video and comment if you want to play with me. completely free, but you have to be subscribed. Yeah, I'm fussy with that rule, you know. Yeah. But couldn't promise. Put winter for this. Put set. Put set for this. It's gonna be taking a while. Probably not even be able to get it, but should go there forever. So I don't know. Probably won't be able to get it, but I'll try.